This is the Interim Study Guide 2 video, and so hopefully, as you can see, my wife said no, but yeah, it is. That's an answer to a different question, obviously. So, the expression. So, question number 1, the expression y plus y plus y plus y is equal to cy. What is the value of c? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 y's, so c equals 4. Basically, this is 1y plus 1y plus 1y plus 1y. Well, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, so it equals 4y. And so that's why c is 4. Question 2. Let's see. Does this color show up well? No, not really. So let's get rid of. Hey, that was supposed to be a race. So let's switch colors. Let's go with blue. So Holly, Chris, and Tony each collect action figures.
Make sure your phone doesn't turn off.
Okay,
My TV.
All right, I will make sure the phone and TV don't turn off. They each collect action figures. Chris has twice as many action figures as Holly, and Holly has 3 fewer than Tony. Create an expression, so that's something without an equal sign, that represents the number of action figures Chris has in terms of the number of action figures Tony has. Okay, so we want a way to find how many Chris has by finding how many Tony has, based on how many Tony has.
Your phone didn't turn off?
No, my phone didn't turn off. So, when we take a look at this, Chris has twice as many as Holly. So,
I had to rewind it, Dad.
Okay. So, Chris, I'm going to use C for Chris and H for Holly. And it tells me to use a lowercase t for Holly. Now, a lot of you flip out when I do this, but that's a cursive T. Okay? Because, as you know, when I write a T, it looks like a plus sign. See? But 3 plus 2, they look the same. So, it's easier to use cursive for variables. So, Chris has twice as many as Holly. So that's 2 times H. Now, Holly, on the other hand, has 3 fewer than Tony. So that's 3 fewer is minus 3. So Holly is Tony minus 3. Okay, since she has 3 fewer than Tony, that's the number that Tony has, minus 3. Well, since we're looking for how many Chris has, well, I'm going to take this and put it in for H. So I've got 2 times T minus 3. And so that's how much Chris has. And we're done. All done. Okay, we can't go any farther because we don't know what T is. Now, if it said an equation, then I would put C equals. But since it says expression, That's our answer. Okay, expression is what's in the box. Equation needs an equal sign. Okay.
Daddy.
Yeah.
See, that was all. See, only had a scary dark.
They had a scary dark dream.
Only Randy.
Only Lanny.
I couldn't sleep because of the strange noise. Did you guys hear it too?
Huh? What noise? I didn't hear anything.
Are you sure you heard something?
That's weird. I'm sure I heard something.
Okay.
You really didn't hear it?
No.
Now,
What was it? Could it be?
perimeter of 36
You
feet.
were afraid, but you were. Lanny is a scaredy cat.
So, a rectangular exercise mat has a perimeter of 36 feet. Now, remember, perimeter is
Guys.
distance around.
You're all here.
And so the formula is P equals
Well,
length
learn some tips
plus
for going through a
length
tunnel.
plus width plus width.
Way to start.
Okay, that's the very simple formula.
It's dark inside.
Now,
What's the matter, Lanny?
Nothing.
length of the mat is
Take
twice
a look at the screen.
Okay.
the width.
You need to turn on your headlights in a tunnel.
You have to turn on your lights in the tunnel because it's dark.
Right you are.
So that means
You should also keep
the
some
length,
distance.
and again, I'm using a cursive so that we don't mistake it for a 1.
If he comes to a stop.
Okay, because L
Absolutely.
looks like a 1. Okay,
Lastly, it's important that you drive at a steady speed.
so
Oh.
length equals twice the width.
You got it? And go and have a safe day.
Okay.
So part 1, write and solve an equation to determine the length.
I should
Part
have
2,
that story. Well, I'll try not to think
find the area.
Let's go.
And of course, show your work.
It leads to the tunnel.
So we have to actually write all this out.
And those cars fast and they
Otherwise,
walking
it's all for nothing.
Can't be true. I pass this place all the time.
Okay, so since we know that L is 2W, I'm going to replace
No such thing as
my L's with 2W.
I am not afraid of the
So P equals 2W plus 2W
tunnel seems longer.
plus W plus W. Okay, so all I've done is replace my L's with 2W's.
This car is supposed to be gigantic.
Well,
Makes a horrendous
2
honking sound.
plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So the perimeter is 6W. Well, it told us the perimeter was 36. So 36 equals 6W. Well, I want to know how much 6W is.
Excuse me.
Well, specifically, I want to know how much W is.
I'm not a scary car.
So I divide by 6. Because I want to know 6 times what equals 36.
You're not the legendary ghost car?
Well, 6 times 6 equals 36.
Why are you such a
So the width is 6.
Huge because I carry goods that are sent overseas.
Well, so I come over here.
Why does your horn sound weird?
My length
Oh, this?
is 2
It sounds strange because it's broken.
times 6. Because it's twice the width.
You were the terrifying ghost car.
You don't have to be terrified of me.
Well, 2 times 6 is 12.
It was worse. It's pitch black in here.
Then
Well,
would you like me to drive with you?
so I wrote my equation and solved it to determine the length. So the length is 12 feet.
Million.
No problem.
Then find the area. Well, area
That wasn't scary.
is length
I'm glad. I have to go to
times
the
width.
deliver these goods. I'll see you around.
So that's 12 times 6.
What a kind and considerate
Well,
truck.
12 times 6.
That was really
6 times 2 is 12. Carry 1. 6 plus 1.
Big told me
And so
Lanny was shaking with fear inside the tunnel.
Really?
72 feet
Because of the
squared.
legendary ghost car. She thought Big was the ghost car and got frightened.
Legendary ghost car? What's that? I've never heard of it.
So then, what happened?
Big calmed her down and drove with her safely out of the
And so
tunnel.
that is a full credit answer for this question. I do not want to see answers of random numbers.
Are you okay, Lanny? I heard about what happened in
I don't know.
Yeah, I really thought the ghost car was...
I don't understand.
Lenny, actually,
Actually, there's no such thing
Or-
as a legendary ghost car.
But I heard
Student
noises last night.
didn't
We made those
answer because you left it blank.
sorry.
Those are bad.
Just joking
It
around.
means you didn't even try.
What?
Put some effort in and actually do the question. You are capable of this.
I had no idea.
And you know,
Okay.
even if there were a ghost, you don't have to worry.
Now, for question 4.
What do we do?
We've got a division question involving a fraction. So,
Someone started it.
It was through the entire...
we learned this with tape diagrams and everything. But the simplest way, the most easy way, is keep...
You to stop by the repair shop.
That's a horrible K. I will fix it for you.
I'll be there right away.
Is keep, change, flip.
It was a nightmare.
Sorry. So we keep it. Let me pause for a second. Okay, so we kept that. We changed it to multiplication. This is 4 over 1, so it becomes 1 over 4. Now, the easiest way for you is probably 10 times 1. We multiply straight across, and we get 10. 3 times 4 is 12. And then what goes into both? Oh, 2. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Alright, so I'm back. Now, so 5, 6 is the answer. Now, for me personally, I would do 10 over 3 times 1 over 4, which is the same as 10 times 1 over 3 times 4. Now, I would go and say, well, I've got a 10 and a 4. 2 goes into both. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 goes into 3 5 times. So 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. And so 5, 6.
Dad,
Yes?
I found.
Yep, you found your tie and a car.
Yeah. I lost it. How do I look?
You look very handsome. So, either one is acceptable. This is probably the easier one for you. Now for question 5. So Carol has 1 5/8 cups of yogurt to make smoothies. Each cup uses 1/3 cups of yogurt. What is the maximum number of cups that Carol can make? Maximum number of smoothies, sorry. Well, again, personally, I mean, they want you to use the whole tape diagram thing, and it'll work, but it is super confusing, and I understand that. And so I teach it because it's what I'm supposed to do. But use keep, change, flip. So let's change 1 5/8 to an improper fraction. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13.
He
So
had
we got,
Wayne.
he had a strange dream.
Yeah. Did I get up too late?
So divide by
You there, Hannah?
1/3. So keep, change, flip. And so we keep this the same, change it to multiply, and flip it to 3/1. Thank you.
Shall I check out the
I checked everywhere but the front closet.
That's the one place that makes sense.
Yep.
go to work? And that means I'm the only one in the garage right now.
And so now
Some fun.
we multiply straight across. 3 times 13
Mom's
is
gonna eat some
39. 1 times 8 is 8.
Watching Guardian X, which she couldn't
Now.
see yesterday because of Brokey.
Well, clearly that's not there.
He really is so
Well,
cool, right, Rogie? Oh, right. There's no
80,
here.
40 is 8 times 5.
When will
Well,
Rogie be back?
that's 39. So it's not going to be
What should I do
5.
now?
And since that's less than 40, it can't be 7.
So, how do I put in the engine?
So 32
They had it done
is 8 times 4.
I don't know.
So that's 4.
It would be done in no time if Hannah were here.
And 39
Is there any
minus 32 is 7. So 7/8. So
Ready to charge. Beep, beep.
that's how many whole smoothies they can make. They can almost make a 5th, but not quite. So they can only make 4. And so that's our answer. 4. Now, unlike up here where I did this in blue, can't really do that here because 3 doesn't go into 8. And there's nothing that goes into both 3 and 8. There's nothing that goes into 8 and 13. And dividing by 1 doesn't help. So that little shortcut doesn't work on this problem. Okay, so that was question 5. Question 6.
What was that?
Alright, stupid dead spot. Alright, so that's a 3. So 6 3/4 and 4.5. So my biked 6 3/4 miles today. Noah biked 4.5 miles. How many times the length of Noah's bike ride was my bike ride? So there's a couple of ways to do this problem. Now, personally, I like the keep, change, flip. So that's 6 3/4, 4 1/2. 6 times 4 is 27. 24 plus 3 is 27/4. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So that's 9/2.
So what do I do?
So we've got 27/4
I'm such a mess.
divided by 9/2.
Choice. I'm
So
sticky
keep,
all over.
change,
Shower until
flip.
the others get back.
So that's 27/4 times 2/9. Now, if we multiply straight across, 9 times 4, the easy one, is 36. 2 times 27, well, 2 times 20 is 40. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 and 40 is 54. Well, 36 goes into 54 one time with 18 left over. And 2 goes into both of those. 9, 18. 9 goes into both of those. 1.5. Well, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So 3/2. And so that's B. Now, we could have also gone from here, since we knew it was going to be improper, and said, well, 2 goes into here, 27
My gosh, what happened?
over 18,
Working hard to fix it.
divided by 3,
That's what you were so scared
9
of.
over 6, 3 goes into both of those, 3 over 2. And, you know, you could have divided by other numbers to figure it out. Your choice.
Me too.
Oh, that's possible.
Now, the other way that you could have done it.
Go to your room and rest.
My room?
Well, we have 6 3/4. And we could have subtracted 4 1/2. Well, we need a common denominator. Well, 2 and 4 both go into 4. So 6 3/4 minus 4 2/4.
What is that, Rogie?
Look at it. Isn't it pretty?
Well,
I found this blanket a few days ago. That's what
So.
makes it even cooler.
3/4 minus 2/4 is 1/4. 6 minus 4 is
Come on, Tayo.
2 and 1/4.
Take a blanket for a ghost?
Well,
But it looked like a ghost. Oh, right.
so we know it goes in one time.
Yes.
Because we can't take 4 1/2 away again. Well,
You're just as scared.
so since that's less than 1, it's gone. These are both more than 1.
Who wants some?
But this is,
Of course. Yes. He saw.
goes in 30 times.
Don't be so
Well, this only went in once, so that's gone.
But it's so bad.
4 goes in to 9 twice, and so it's got to be B.
A frightful night.
The construction
But
crew is gathered
if we
to
continue,
renovate the factory building.
well, we've got
It looks creepy.
how many 2 1/4 are in 4 1/2?
We can't do construction work during the day when all the students are
Well,
in class.
2 1/4 plus 2 1/4 is 4 2/4, which is 4 1/2. So that means this is half. So we have 1 1/2. Now, this much more
I heard a story about a ghost
complicated,
that's missing a tire. And a ghost travels. Yeah.
but possible.
In this building, and they say he comes here every night to find his missing tire.
Strongly
What if this is the ghost truck's missing tire?
suggest this method.
No way. There's no such thing as ghosts.
Okay? So I strongly suggest converting them to improper and doing keep change flip. But it is entirely your choice. Alright. Question 7. I know it says 12, but you know, they're not exactly numbered right. Mr. Polanski is adding food coloring to water to create his own paint colors. He has 5 1/2 cups of water, and to create a color he needs 2/3, so that's a 3. How many paint colors in all can he create if he uses all the cups of water he has? So that's 5 1/3 divided by
Stay here with me until I finish.
2/3. So keep, change, flip. Well, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16.
What? A ghost?
Change to multiply, and flip. And so 3 times 16, 3 times 6 is 18, carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 48 divided by 6 is 8. And so it's C.
They did.
Now, if you prefer the shortcut,
There's no such thing.
Oh, let's just pretend.
well,
You still didn't eat very much. Are you still hungry?
then it's essentially this. Well, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And so we've got 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1, which is 8. And so he can make 8 colors. Okay. So this is probably what you'll use. If you want to take the little shortcut, you are welcome to. Question 8.
Okay.
Now,
People get cold too. So I want.
so a large serving of soup from a takeout restaurant is 4/5 of a liter. Okay. And so that's 1 serving. So they can make 1, 2, 3 servings. So goodbye. Now we have 1, 2, 3 sections left over. However, what we needed was 1, 2, 3, 4 to make a serving. So we needed 4 to make a serving. We have 3 left, so that's 3 out of 4, which makes it D. Okay. A lot of people will say C because there are fifths, because it's broken into fifths. However, you look at how many make 1 whole serving. And so that's 4 to make a serving. And so we have 3 of the 4 we need. Okay, now another tape diagram question. Okay. Now, so says that 3 divided by 2/3 is 4 1/3. Four groups of 2/3 and 1/3 left. Do you agree? Well, even without the tape diagram, we can do 3 divided by 2/3 and do keep, change, flip just to figure out if he's right. Okay. And so, we have to explain our answer using the tape diagram, but we can just check if he's right or wrong doing this. And so that's 3 over 1 times 3 over 2. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 goes into 9 4 times with 1 left over. And so it should be 4 1/2, not 4 1/3. So, no. He is not correct. Okay.
Oh, I went past it.
We can't keep putting our work off.
2/3
What if the ghost is still there?
makes 1 group.
That night, Tayo and Rogi went back to the construction site.
We're gonna do it this time.
We can make
Yeah, we're gonna show those guys.
4 groups of 2/3. So there's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. 1/3 left over as Andre said. However, this is half of a group.
But are you feeling all better now?
Of course, we feel great.
So
Relief?
Actually,
it,
we've been fine for a while.
We were just scared to come back here.
sorry.
Yeah, we really were.
So the answer
We have to do our job after all.
should be 4 and a half, since we have 4 whole groups and half
They couldn't have dropped them.
a group.
That must be
And then your answer. Okay, explain our reasoning.
trying to protect her baby.
So, there was no ghost after all.
Okay, question 10.
That looks like Titi? Huh?
Alright. I'm going to stop the video here and I will do the rest on another one just because this one's getting kind of long.